Ever wonder if you really need to wait 30 minutes after eating before swimming? You've probably heard a million times that jumping into the water right after a meal could lead to cramps or even drownings. Stick around, because in the next few seconds I'm going to reveal the truth. Turns out, while it's wise to listen to your body, there's no scientific evidence supporting the 30-minute rule. In fact, swimming is generally safe right after eating. Just avoid strenuous activities if you feel uncomfortable. What other myths have you heard? Comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to uncover more truth behind popular misconceptions.